Hey guys, I thought I'd show you this barn we built here in Glendo. Just got done, came down here to do your final walkthrough. So as you can see behind me there's a loft up top there. So this thing's like 20 foot tall in the center section. So you got a lot of space to go double. This is actually the shop part. So this is a 40 by 60 shop, 20 foot tall. So he's got a loft, got to be there in the back corner here. You got all them windows up high there, as you can see. And then behind me there is going to be a living space. So that's 20 foot, so it's dropped lower. That's 20 foot out. So it's 20 by 60 in there. And we got a couple porches on the outside and all those windows and doors. We stud walled this one, but we did 4 foot on center, so it's kind of a hybrid. So, trusses are like post frame. And we did put OSB on top, but that way it's a lot cheaper. You don't have to do 2 foot on center trusses. Still do the same thing. This is a shop kind of, so that's something you can save yourself money on. And so over here, in here we got living quarters. These windows were set to the rooms that he's going to build out himself. And so yeah, got all them doored each end. So yeah, it's pretty cool design. I'll show the outside and some of the features of it. So this door here is pretty cool. Never seen one of these before, honestly. Show you guys how this works. This is how the door looks. There's like 4 sections. And so you just open up this one here. And then you pop this open like that. And then you come in here and you open up this and you push that out. So now it just glides together like that. So it just looks like that in the end. It's kind of neat how you can open it. A little different than a patio door. So here we got these timbers on here. These are just 6x6s, and we just got a 6x8 timber, and there's 4x6s to Y-brace, metal ceiling. He'll put lights in there later. And we got this rock wainscoting all the way around. And all the metal on here is that what we call rugged rib. It's like a 1 foot panel, or 1 foot between ribs here. It just looks different. Doesn't make it look like a barn. So I think that adds a nice touch to it. It's black and white. So this here still needs concrete done in here, and then here's just a little bit simpler lean-to for RV storage and stuff. Just wrap the header in metal and just treated posts here. Metal ceiling same way. So yeah, this thing's pretty cool, honestly. You could make this thing into more of a 2-story if you wanted to, and have a full-on house in this thing in a shop. So here's got a little, what we call an eyebrow, just a little 8 foot thing that sticks over your door so you don't get rained on. Doesn't have any posts or anything, so it cantilevers out.